Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2015 BMW 535i M. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over real quick because we do have it on the showroom floor. Let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. Big reason why I do these video walk-arounds, guys, it saves a ton of time on both sides. Plus, it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give me a call or text for further details. But as you can see, backup sensors, backup camera, dual exhaust. Get these angles in here for you. We'll get down on tires. And just a gorgeous car. Super comfortable to drive. Back up far enough to get that into the shot. Alright, bear with me just for another half second. We'll get to the inside condition and features. Love the fit and finish on these BMWs. Alright, let's get to the inside here. As you can see, it does have the convenience package. Really nice to have. Let's open this guy up. But as you can see, power windows, power locks, power memory seats, premium sound. Let's get to the condition of the leather here. Leather's in great condition. Super comfortable. Holy smokes. Let's go ahead and get the back seat real quick before we get those features up front. Just a good looking vehicle. You can see the speakers back there, rear air. Let's get some features up front here. Looks like we have cruise control assist, power, telescoping steering wheel controls with the paddle shifters, automatic windshield wipers, push button start, media center there. And then you have stock stereo, obviously, heated seats, and this here to control the media center. And then you can see all the different camera angles and the different drive modes, sport, comfortable, so on and so forth. But let's go ahead and turn it over real quick. So like 68,000 miles, that's actually pretty good, 64,000. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Confirm. Let's just go to the navigation here. Navi. Let's put in the backup camera. Yes, my goodness. Okay. But backup sensors there, I should say, which is nice. But let's go to this. Oh, there we go, camera angle. So you actually have cameras on the side rear view mirrors there, which is nice. You can see that guy there. Different angles there. But let's go ahead and turn on some lights. Let me turn this guy off. I don't want it running on the showroom floor. Just a good looking, comfortable car. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just reach out, give me a call or a text. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully I can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.